Time to wake up. The sun is already up.
Oh, my mom, it's only 6 a.m.
I know, honey, but you have to get used to waking early. You'll love the quiet morning.
I doubt that, Mom. My bed is too warm. It's pulling me back in.
Your bed is not a magnet, baby. Come on, sit up slowly.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
Oh, please, Ethan. The last time you asked for 5 minutes, you woke up 2 hours later.
Stop joking, Mom. I will be up in 5 minutes, I promise. Ouch! Mom, you turned on the lights like a flashbang.
My dear, it's just the sun.
Oh,
Come on, baby. Let me tell you, if you wake up earlier, you'll have more time for breakfast.
Breakfast does sound nice, but I'm still half asleep.
That's okay. Early mornings are slow and calm. You'll warm up soon.
I guess I do rush a lot every morning. It would be nice to have a slow and calm morning.
Exactly. Waking early gives you time to breathe and relax. Say you have 30 minutes for breakfast today instead of 10 as per usual.
That does sound nice. I can really enjoy my meal now.
See, you're getting it. Let's try this together for a few days.
Okay, Mom, I'll try.
Get up, my boy. Our new routine starts today. Good morning, sweetheart. Come join me on the mat for a quick stretch. Morning, Mom. My back feels so stiff. I think I sit too much at the office. That's exactly why we stretch, honey. Let your body wake up slowly. I hope it helps because my shoulders feel like stone right now. Let's start gently. Roll your shoulders back, nice and easy. Ouch. Oh, wow. I didn't know my neck could crack that loudly. It's normal, baby. Your muscles are tight after long sleep hours. I guess that's true. Office work doesn't help either. Exactly. Now do the same for the other side. Ouch. Mom, my lower back is screaming a little. Is that okay? A little tension is normal, sweetie, but stop if it hurts too much. No, it's okay. It feels tight, but also kind of good. Great. Now slowly reach down and touch your toes. Let me try. Uh-oh, Mom, I can't even see my toes in this position. That's fine. Just reach as far as you can and breathe deeply. I feel a long pull in my legs. It's uncomfortable, but not painful. That pull means your muscles are waking up and gaining flexibility. Oh, I didn't know it worked like that. It actually feels relaxing. Stretching also improves your blood flow, baby. More oxygen means more energy. I could really use more energy in the morning, especially before work. Exactly, and stretching reduces stress, so your mind feels clearer. Aw, I like that. My mornings always feel rushed and heavy. I know, my dear. With stretching, your body becomes lighter and your mood improves quickly. I think you're right. I already feel a bit more awake. See? Only a few minutes can change your whole morning. Yes, I feel looser and more comfortable. My back isn't complaining now. That's the power of simple movement, sweetheart. It prepares you for the day. Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Good morning, honey. Breakfast is almost ready.
Morning. Claire, why does the kitchen smell so fruity?
You notice? I'm preparing oatmeal with fruit for us today.
Oatmeal? But why not toast or something fried like usual?
I want to try something healthier, you know? Healthy breakfasts keep our energy steady for hours.
I do get hungry very fast after eating just toast and a chocolate bar.
Exactly. Oatmeal digests slowly and keeps you full much longer.
Really? I never knew that. It always looked too simple to me.
Simple can be good, honey. Add fruit, nuts, and yogurt. Ta-da! I'm sure it tastes amazing.
Well, it looks colorful, but I'm not sure how it tastes.
Come on, try 1 spoon. You might be surprised.
Okay, let me see.
Just try it, darling. I made it warm and creamy for you.
Oh, wow. Claire, this is actually really good. So flavorful.
See? Healthy doesn't mean boring, sweetheart.
I can taste the banana and honey. It feels light but satisfying.
That's the point. It gives you energy without making you feel heavy.
You know, I always feel sleepy after a fried breakfast. Maybe that's why.
Yes, heavy oil slows your body down, but clean food wakes you up.
That actually makes sense. I feel more awake already.
Good. After this, you'll have steady energy for your whole morning.
I like that. Let's stick to this, honey. I love your new dish already.
Aw.
You know what? Tomorrow, I'll cut the fruit so you don't do everything alone.
Aw, thank you, darling.
I can't believe oatmeal tastes this good. Let's keep this going.
Morning, Sophie. Ready for our run today? Morning, Claire. Yes, I'm ready, I think. I hope I didn't forget anything. You sound tired already, Sophie. Oh dear, your water bottle is missing again. Oh no, not again. I always forget that thing. But, who has time for drinking water mid-run anyway? Hey now, staying hydrated is so important, especially when running. Girl, I know, but I always feel too tired on the run. I don't think I have time to drink water. That's because your body needs water to keep your energy steady. Really? I thought my legs were just lazy in the morning. Trust me, girl, even a small amount of water helps your muscles work better. That explains why I feel heavy when I don't drink enough. Exactly, and drinking water keeps your mind clearer and your mood lighter. That's true. I do feel cranky sometimes when I'm dehydrated. A simple habit helps. Now, why don't you try keeping your bottle in a place you always see? Where do you keep your bottle, Claire? Me? I just keep it on the shelf by the door. Wow, how smart. Maybe that's why you never forget. Yes, and you can place reminders on your phone during the day to drink water, you know? I should do that. I barely drink 2 cups of water at work. Oh, Sophie, your body needs much more, especially when you move a lot. I know. I'll try to drink more today. Don't worry, honey. Small habits build strong routines over time. You always make healthy things sound easier than they feel, Claire. Because they are easy, sweetheart. Just gentle choices every day. All right, Claire. I'll start with this bottle and finish it before noon. That's the spirit. Now grab your bottle and let's start our run. Got it, Claire. Laura, sit down with me. Morning, Claire. What are you doing? I'm writing my 3 small goals today. 3 goals? That sounds fun. Let me join. Sure, I have some spare notes right here. Let me see. Oh dear, I don't even know what to write. Don't worry, just pick some small things you need or want to finish today. I like the idea, but my mind feels completely blank right now. Think simple. Maybe buy some fresh vegetables today. That's doable. My fridge looks empty anyway. See, that's 1 goal already. Easy and helpful. All right. Ooh, how about drinking enough water? That's amazing, Laura. Staying hydrated makes your day lighter. Yes, I do feel tired often. Maybe water's the answer. It helps more than we think, sweetheart. What about 1 more goal? Maybe clean something, but cleaning feels so big. Not the whole house. We can just do 1 small room. Keep it simple. Oh, that actually sounds manageable. 1 room is not scary. Exactly. Small steps build big progress without stress. Haha, I like that. I always try to do too much and give up halfway. That's why 3 little goals are perfect. They give you direction without pressure. And I guess I'll feel proud when I finish them. You will! That sense of completion boosts your mood a lot. I can imagine that. A small victory can change the whole day. Haha, I love this idea already. It feels comforting and realistic. Good! Now write them down. Buy vegetables, drink enough water, and clean 1 room. Done. Thank you, Claire. I really needed this gentle push today. Anytime, sweetheart. Now close your notebook, take a deep breath, and begin the day, starting with the vegetable shopping. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, do you have a healthy habit? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.